This is an OpenLM tutorial. The OpenLM router module is peripheral to the OpenLM system. It intervenes in the license client to license server communication and provides benefits such as a single point of reference to all application clients, license restrictions according to specific users, IP ranges, and time of day, rules that may be applied to any type of license server, and setting up a license server redundancy scheme. Let's demonstrate basic routing for an ESRI ArcGIS application. Here's a look at my registry. ArcGIS normally requests a license from server 145 on port 710. I will check out a license now. And the application is launched. I will refresh EasyAdmin. And voila! EasyAdmin reports my license being used. I will close this session now and change the registry license key, so the application will turn to my own machine on port 12345 for license requests. I'll try to relaunch the application, and of course this now fails. So I will now employ the OpenLM router. I'm defining router group RG1 and adding a new router to this group. My router's hostname is this machine, support 1. The IP is 10.0.0.141 as I configured in the registry key. Now I'll create a routing rule for this routing group. Type in the listener port, the license request protocol, the range of IPs that need to be routed, 10.0.0.0 to 10.0.0.255, and where I want to direct the license request to. That's the original license server. Some descriptive fields. Finally, I'll try to relaunch the application and it works. So I have successfully routed the license request through my local machine. Setting a multiple server redundancy scheme is also very easy using the OpenLM router. I just need to configure additional license server in the Target Hosts tab, and that's it. OpenLM router will employ server 10.0.0.145 on port 710 as long as it's active. If that fails, the router will automatically redirect all license requests to port 123 on server 10.0.0.123. For more information about the OpenLM router, configuration, and capabilities, please address our support group.